Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and enjoying learning from home. Children, in the previous video, we have learned subtraction with column method. Children, today we are going to do subtraction by borrowing. Let's start, children. Children, sometimes the digit we need to subtract is bigger than the digit it has to subtract from. In such cases, children, we need to borrow from the digit on the left. Now children, let's start with subtraction by borrowing. Children, first we have to subtract the ones. Children, 7 is bigger than 2. 2 cannot be subtracted. Children, now we have to take 110 from the tens column and add it to 2 ones. Children, you know 110 is equal to 10 ones. 10 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 12 ones, children. Children, here 12 is bigger than 7. Now subtract 12 minus 7. Children, when we subtract 12 minus 7, what will be the answer? Yes, 5. Now children, we have to change 6 tens to 5 tens in the tens column. Now children, we have to subtract 5 minus 2. Children, when we subtract 5 minus 2, what will be the answer? Yes, 3. Children, when we subtract 62 minus 27, what will be the answer? Yes, the answer is 35. Understood, children? Now children, see the second question. Same here, children. First we have to subtract the ones. Children, here also 8 is bigger than 5. Cannot be subtracted. Children, what we have to do? We have to take 110 from the tens column and add it to 5 ones. Children, you know 10 ones plus 5 ones is equal to 15 ones. That means 15. Children, 15 is bigger than 8. We have to subtract 15 minus 8. Children, when we subtract 15 minus 8, what will be the answer? Yes, 7. Next, we have to change 3 tens to 2 tens in the tens column. Now children, we have to subtract remaining tens. Children, 6 is bigger than 2, cannot be subtracted. Take 100 from the hundreds column and add it to 2 ones. You know children, 10 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 12 tens. Yes children. Now 12 is bigger than 6. Now we have to subtract 12 minus 6. Children, when we subtract 12 minus 6, what will be the answer? Yes, 6. Now children, we have to change 4 hundreds to 3 hundreds in the hundreds column. Children, we have to subtract 3 minus 2. That is 1. What will be the answer, children, when we subtract 435 minus 268? Yes, the answer will be 167. Understood, children? Children, revise these sums regularly. Stay home, stay safe.